So guys, let's discuss task 1. Well, we need to sketch the graph of the function. It's pretty complex, so let's start with the basic one. Y is equal to e in the power of x. So it looks like this, just basic function. And our second step is to add 3 into the power of e, and in this case, if you remember, we are doing this thing because this number is inside the function, so we shift the graph along the x-axis in the opposite direction. So, as you can see, our graph was shifted to the left along the x-axis by 3. So please pay attention that the scale in this second picture is different because like I wanted to draw the intersection of this function with the y-axis. That's why the scale is different. So anyway, our graph will move to the left by 3 points. And if we want to find the intersection of our function with y-axis, we just need to put 0 instead of x in our function. So e in the power 0 plus 3 will be e in the power of in the third power. And it is like about 20.08. And now it is our next step. We need to take the module, and again, as I said before, we need firstly to equalize the module to 0, and x is equal to minus 3, and it will be the line from which we will reflect the function, the graph of the function. Here is our line, here is our graph, and it is the point of intersection, and now we just reflect the graph, and it will be the result. And our next step, we need to multiply our module by 2. In this case, we are compressing the graph, so it will be like 2 times more narrow. And in this case, our point of intersection with y-axis will be different. It will be e in the power of 2 module 0 plus 3. It will be e in the power of 6. Let's go to our next step, and here we need to subtract 2 from our function because this number is outside the function. We will make a shift, and it is the first case. We will move the graph along the y-axis in the same direction. So as you can see, here the point was 1, and now it becomes minus 1. So we shift our graph down along the y-axis, and here are our new coordinates. And the next step, we take a module from our function, and it is very easy. We just reflect the part of the graph which was negative, and we will get something like this. By the way, don't forget that the point of intersection in the previous case will be different. It will be 2 points less because we shifted our graph by 2. And our last step is to add +1, and we just shift our graph along y-axis by just 1 point. And our new point here will be 2, and our point of intersection with the y-axis will be in the power of 6 minus 1. So that's it.